eventually.
Hi everybody, I'm Susan from LVM More, and we're doing semi-vlogging today just for fun. I have my blogging camera and I'm just having my little stick here. I wanted to say hi. My mom's visiting from Oregon, so go ahead and say hi, Mom.
Hi everybody, hope you're having a great day.
Yeah, she's visiting, and we just did an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I got a refill with a new perfume, and man, does it smell great.
Oh boy.
Woo! But it comes in a package like this. It's really nice. It has the gold on the top. All right, and then, see if I can do it with one hand here. All right, and then it looks like that. I took one out. They come in 4. They look like that. If you've never seen them before, some people have, some people haven't. All right, you take the top off. There's a little hole in the top, and they go with your travel kit. And your travel kit looks like this. It's, obviously bigger. All right, it's got the gold on the top, which is pretty cool. And let's go ahead and see if we can.
Are you getting it up open? Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of hard with one hand. All right, and it looks like this with the sprayer or the atomizer. And then it comes with 4 refills on top of that, and you just unscrew the bottom, you put one of the refills in the top, and then you only spray. You don't have to spray very much. You just give it like one spray basically, and it lasts anywhere from 4 to 6 hours. So the perfume is really nice. It's worth it. I would highly recommend it if you're going to be traveling or just want something for your purse so you don't have perfume spilling all over your purse. I would highly recommend getting the travel kit. And then if they do come out with new scents, like they just had with the new scent, it's jasmine and mandarin and some currants, and it smells great. So definitely check that out. And she sent me a cleaning cloth, which comes in like a little package like that. It has a cloth to it. And the refill comes in a box like that. She gave me all this stuff, which was like super nice. I'm really happy about everything. Let's see if you can kind of see it. Let's see if you
did. That's a lot of nice things.
Yeah. It's kind of hard to see, but you'll see everything in my video, my unboxing video. But I just thought I'd give you like kind of behind the scenes on the unboxing and what it actually looks like. So that's it for Friday. I hope everybody's having a good weekend. What are you guys doing this weekend? Let me know if you want to see anything, you want to see any reviews, what you may be doing. It's raining in Canada, so what's the weather like in your area? So like, subscribe, and thanks again for your support. Bye now.